Hello, good morning, class. I'm Nur Sabah from class 7th, and thank you, Mr. Akhilesh sir, for giving me this wonderful chance. Today, I have been given a story, and this is the story of a poor woodcutter called Ali Baba. He lived in a town of Persia. One day, when he was chopping wood in the forest, he saw a troop man approaching on horseback, and he thought that they are robbers. So he climbed upon the tree and hide himself, and peering from the branches and count that there are 40 men. Just then, the leader of the gang dismounted and stepped towards and facing a big rock wall and shouted, "Open sesame." Miraculously, the cave became a secret door and he entered in the cave, and all robbers followed him. After some time, he came in outside of the cave and shouted, "Close sesame." Then the door became closed, and after some time Ali Baba went and shouted, "Open sesame," and he entered in the cave, and he saw that there are so many silver, golds, and diamond, and he quickly collect as he could collect. But in haste he dropped a gold coin near the secret door. After few weeks, when the robbers came and the leader saw the coin, and he became very angry and said to her men that, how could you drop a coin near the secret door and risk revealing our hiding place? Then one thief said that, "Master, we don't do this mistake because we know the punishment of this mistake." Then the leader said, "Okay, no problem, and go and find him who became rich recently and kill him." And meanwhile, Ali Baba opened a shop and he hired a helper whose name was Morgiana. Morgiana was very clever and beautiful young woman. Um, One day in the Ali Baba shop, a stranger came to the Ali Baba shop and asked Morgiana many questions about Ali Baba, and this question worried to the Morgiana, and he became clever, and he went to the leader and tell him all story. Then the leader said, "Okay, tonight go and mark a cross with the chalk on the Ali Baba door." Then he went tonight and mark a cross with the chalk. But clever Morgiana saw this, and when the thieves went from there, he went and mark a same cross on the all doors. And when the robbers came, he saw that in all doors there are mark, and he became very angry. But the next day he make a new plan, and he had a train, and he carried 40 barrels of oil, and he disguised himself in the oil merchant, and he went to the Ali Baba shop and said to the Ali Baba, "I need the oil and to marketing to selling in market, but I need a place to stay tonight." Then Ali Baba said, "Yes, of course you can stay here, and you can join us with the dinner." After some time, they take dinner and went to his room, and Morgiana cleaned up the table, and suddenly he thoughts about the barrels, and he went to the barrels, and in the barrels he listened the voice that it is same time. But Morgiana said, "No, it is not time, but yet soon." And he went to the all barrels, and he listened the same question, and he answered the same answer. But uh, but he find that in 39 barrels thief are hide, and in only one barrels have oil. And Morgiana hid the oil and take it in the all barrels, and middle night to the thieves, but they don't replied. Then he understand that we became foolish again. And few months he he made a cunning plan, and he opened a shop across the Ali Baba shop. And after few weeks they became a good friend. And Ali Baba invited the thieves, whose name was Kogia Hassan. and he went to the Alibaba shop and he has a dagger. He hid the dagger, and the clever Morgiana saw this, and he became a dance performance. And while dancing, he wrapped a scarf tightly around the Kogia Hassan chair. When Ali Baba came, he said, Morgiana, what are you doing? They are our guest. Then the Morgiana tell him all story and said they are not our guest. And the Alibaba, at last Alibaba said to the Morgiana that Morgiana, you saved my life, and do you want to join our family? And please marry with my son. Then Morgiana agreed, and at last they enjoy the wedding. That's all. Thank you so much.